Dr. Craig Videos is a channel here on YouTube devoted to the worship of the Christian apologist William Lane Craig. In a recent video posted from a debate between Craig and physicist Lawrence Krauss, much was made of Krauss's following statement.
2 plus 2 equals 5, my t-shirt says, for extremely large values of 2. Now that's extremely important because, in fact, classical logic, such as 2 plus 2 equals 5, is 4, 10 equal 5 is wrong. Mathematicians and physicists know that for extremely large values of numbers, you have to change the rules.
Craig responds.
He says, but 2 plus 2 does not necessarily equal 5. 2 plus 2 equals 5 follows from the axioms of Peano arithmetic, which are necessary truths. I cannot believe that he would deny logical, necessary mathematical truths in order to avoid theism.
What Krauss is trying to say is that absolute precision is not possible in the real world. All measurements are estimates which are, at some point or another, rounded to the nearest digit. In other words, he is not denying that 2 plus 2 equals 4, but merely pointing out that we have to be careful about errors of estimation. If 2 is large enough, then adding 2 plus 2 can equal 5. Dr. Craig Videos blocked me and deleted my comment after I pointed this out on his video because criticism of Lord Craig is not allowed. Since then, another video has surfaced focusing on Krauss saying that classical logic is wrong. I won't defend Krauss's statement because I'm not sure if he misspoke, perhaps meaning classical mathematics, or if he earnestly believes it. But the Church of Craig has silenced attention to an embarrassing remark Craig also made in the exchange. Note that Craig tells us 2 plus 2 equals 5 necessarily follows from the axioms of Peano arithmetic, not 2 plus 2 equals 4. However, I'm willing to grant that he probably slipped up in what he meant to say. But Peano arithmetic deals with natural numbers, or counting numbers. Extremely large values of 2 are fractions or decimals of 2, like 2.5, and these are not natural numbers. Decimals are calculated using a separate arithmetic, aptly called decimal arithmetic. This is quite an embarrassing mistake on Craig's part, because he obviously did not understand what Krauss was trying to say. It went right over his head.